excited. I need to say the obligatory things. Hi, this is AG Takes Over. I'm Kristie. I'm glad you're here. I say obligatory, but I do mean them. I'm very glad you're here. And I would love it if you subscribe. And I hope that you'll give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what is your favorite out of everything I'm about to show you. But I'm really excited to show you. So I'm probably just going to jump right in.
Oh, real quickly before we get started though, I just hit 700 subscribers a few days ago. I think I'm at 711 or something now. And I decided I'm going to go ahead and do another Q&A. So I have a community post asking for people to drop their questions, but you can also drop them in the comments to this video. I'm going to go ahead and collect them for about a week, and then I'll start working on a Q&A video. All right, now let's get ready.
So in this box is a mystery. There are a few Etsy shops that I know of that do this. You can list more in the comments if you know of any, but like the Glam Doll does a fill a bag, and I think they have a few different versions, like fill it with $50 worth of items or $100 worth of items. And I did not know that Silly Monkey Doll Stuff did this. First of all, let me just say, looking at the Silly Monkey Doll Stuff Etsy store is so soothing. The entire thing is kind of organized by color, and they're all soft enough colors. Nothing's really jarring. I love it. If you follow Silly Monkey Doll Stuff on Instagram, the store is like their Instagram page. Like, it's just beautiful and calming and lovely and just a visual treat. So, but in spite of going to the store many times and window shopping, I had not purchased anything. My wife has, but I had not. So we were like multitasking and watching some cheesy Hallmark movie I don't know, not too long ago, a few days ago. And I was looking on Etsy, just looking at doll clothes while this fantastic quality movie was playing. And I happened to come across their fill a bag or whatever, and it's 10 items that not of your choosing, 10 mystery items for $50 plus shipping and taxes and whatever. And I was like, I don't really think I can go wrong, but that kind of thing makes me nervous because it is a lot to drop. I'm not super picky. Like I already know I like the style of the things that they carry, but so I clicked on the reviews, and thank you, lovely people who leave reviews with photos, because people had spread out their 10 items. And I was like, okay, well, now I've seen like 3 of them. So I have a good sense that any of those, I would feel like $50 was a great deal. So what the hell? I'm going to do it. Yeah, I'm going to do it. My wife is never one to discourage me, so she's like, go for it. Yes, have at it. So I did. And I am excited, and the owner of the shop is a subscriber, so I hope you're watching this. I am really excited to see what's in here. Also, I almost always pre-open things and then just do a voiceover, but I want to open this with everyone. So, all right. I did pre-cut the tape on this side. So, all right, everything's in. Oh, the bag got a little ripped, but that's okay. So everything is in this bag. So I'm going to put it on my lap and take out one thing at a time. So, ooh, this is cute. Let me get it out of the plastic so that it's not so reflective for you. I don't know, it's a trade-off. Do you want the sound of this plastic as I'm getting it out, or do you want the shine of the plastic? Okay. The sound, because you definitely want to be able to see this clearly. This is really pretty. Cherry blossoms, magnolias maybe? Dogwood, magnolia. I'm going to go with magnolia. I don't know. Somebody who knows flowers, you can tell me. It's not a pattern I would have picked, but it's super cute, and it's going to be really nice for spring and summer. All right. One. Oh, this is, okay. Hold on. Let me hurry up and rip the paper off. Or the plastic off, whatever. You know what I mean. This one's really nice. This reminds me of, and if I can find it, we own it, so I'll put a picture here or here, of the Our Generation. It's like a more green color, but it's the same kind of like, almost like, is that baby's breath? I don't think it's not a dandelion. Anyway, similar kind of flower, but it's a little bit more green skirt, and it comes with a peach top. Super cute. 2 for 2. Ooh. Wouldn't you like to know? Hold on. This is adorable. This is so fun. I totally recommend this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get another one of these someday. I'm like, we're only 3 in and I already know this has been worth it. Do any of you get the mini brands things? Like at Target, the little ball things? They're like, the packaging is exceptionally wasteful, but it's still always a temptation to get them. Anyway, the kind of like, ooh, I don't know what's inside, I wonder if I'll luck out, is what drew me to doing this. But this is a solid bet. It is a solid bet. All right, a nice shirt. Ooh, it's very soft. That's really pretty. Everything's nicely finished. My dolls are forever better dressed than me. A pair of pants. These are fun. So these are like a linen material. And I feel like that's some sort of flower that flower people will know that I do not know. Yeah, I like them. There's enough color in there. We can just put them with a plain black shirt or a little, like a corset halter kind of top. Yeah, yay. Next one is, ooh, this is my favorite so far. This is definitely my favorite so far. How adorable. So the stitching is really nice. It's 2 rows all along the bottom. And it's gathered waist. It's just gathered across the front, so the back is not. This is adorable. I know it's not the right season, but I don't care. I've said this before. The thing about seasons is they come around every year. So, oh, okay. I'm just showing you one more time because I think it's so pretty. Whoever picks out the fabrics, whoever's in charge of fabric picking at that shop just has a really good eye, and I think we share a lot of the same like visual preferences. Okay, here's the dress. What I just now noticed, and I can tell you who's gonna like this dress, is those are cats. These are cats all over the place, peeking out of leaves, hiding in flower petals. This might be my most controversial opinion or thing about myself to share. Like, sure, I can talk about look, transphobes don't come for AG. And I didn't really catch much flack for that video, surprisingly. But I'm going to share that in our household, there's 1 dog and 2 cats. And I always tell people I like the dog and the cats came with the relationship. I'm sorry. So Grace is going to love that there are cats in this dress. I like the dress regardless. I'm a dog person for sure. I'm a big dog person. Aw, this is really sweet. Okay, hold on. and get it out of all the shiny plastic. So it's an Empire waist. You know what this is? This is like Caroline's getting frisky. And she's showing some leg. Because from here up, like that's a Caroline dress, right? No, it's not. This is Caroline after dark. It's really pretty though. I love it. Yay! This is so fun. Ooh. Tell you what, I don't know how many people are going to watch this, but Silly Monkey Doll stuff, I think that you should prepare for a little influx. I hope that you get an influx in this kind of order because it is so much fun. Like, the fabric is so pretty. The patterns are pretty. They're the right scale for American Girl doll. I'm going to do a count of the variety that I got, but they definitely hooked me up as far as variety. So this has no Velcro. It's a very stretchy waist, very stretchy neckband. Oh, and I didn't even, how have I gotten this far into it and I haven't even checked? There's a tag. It's probably backwards, but there's a tag that says Silly Monkey. I'm never going to not say this. If you make clothes to sell and you want people to shout out your amazing craftsmanship, put a tag or a stamp or something in there, because I will not know a year from now. Or if I buy it used from somebody, I will not know. So thank you for putting that in there. Oh, this is, gosh. Such a good decision. Okay, these are adorable. All right, it's another shorts romper, except for this one's short sleeve. So I got a long sleeve one and a short sleeve one, and look, it's so cute. Everything is the same in terms of neckline. Tag is in a different place, but the tag is still there. Waistline is plenty stretchy that this will be no problem to get on the dolls. I love it. I love it. And that's not it. I was doing a mental count and I thought that was it, but it's not. That's our invoice. That has my name on it. Or not my name, I don't care that you know my name. That has our address on it. I do care about that. All right, so, aww. So here's the business card. It's probably gonna be backwards. It says Silly Monkey. Silly Monkey 18-inch doll clothes, shoes, and accessories. SillyMonkey.com or SillyMonkeyDollStuff.etsy.com. And the Instagram is there too. You know, I'm going to put everything in the descriptions like I always do. It's a necklace. Oh. The curse of a ring light meets plastic. Shiny plastic. There we go. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. All right. I am going to put everything on dolls. So I'm going to have this is a lot. I got to dress a lot of dolls to show all this off. But real quickly, recap. Romper, shorts romper with short sleeves. Shorts romper with long sleeves. Frisky Caroline Empire waist dress. Sleeveless sundress with cats all over it. Long sleeve, gorgeous, perfect for fall dress. Some linen pants. A cotton t-shirt. And I don't know what you call this. It's a shirt, a short sleeve shirt. 2 skirts, and a necklace for $50 plus tax and shipping and handling. Hell yes. This was amazing. All right. I'm going to turn this off and I will turn it back on once I've got everybody dressed. All right. I'm going to keep this short. Those shoes are from the most recent Kwanzaa outfit 2 years ago, a year ago.
Shirt is from Circle C Sewing, and obviously the necklace and the pants are from the mystery bag I just got. She looks amazing. Here we have Sage's sandals, the skirt that I obviously just got, and as you can see on the screen, it says Elite Doll World for the top. I should also shout out the models. I'm using these same two each time. This is Amara. She's a Truly Me 80. She had bad eyes, but as you can see, I fixed that. I do not recall the origin of those shoes. They're AG, but one of the Truly Me boy outfits. I don't remember. And I wish I knew who made the pants, but they didn't put a tag in it. Melody's shoes from maybe the play outfit. And obviously we know the origin of the dress. All right, here's Giselle again. I was just trying to put together outfits as quickly as I could, so I recycled the shoes a lot. So the Kwanzaa shoes again. And this is Giselle. She's a CYO, and I think she was the first one I ever got. I got her used. Back to Amara with Sage's boots. And Sage's shoes are great. And this beautiful dress. Oh, I love it. The skirt we have already seen, Anique's Boutique for this top. And she doesn't put tags in there. I wish she would. My wife happened to remember who she got the shirt from. All right, Doll Closet for the pants. Silly Monkey Doll stuff, of course, for the shirt. And Amara looks really like she's wearing some blush right now. It's so cute. Sage's sandals again, and since this is just one piece, I didn't need to put the shop name on the screen because you just watched me open it. And same thing, the Kwanzaa sandals, and you're not going to need me to describe the dress because you just saw it. Side note, Giselle, the CYO that I'm using, has not been selected by the randomizer since I started my channel. She was wearing something from last spring. So anyway, I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for my next video. Now go get some stuff from Silly Monkey Doll Stuff.